Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. To make your garden inviting during cooler evenings. Fall garden decor helps you embrace the changing season while preparing your garden for the upcoming winter months. Wood has been a fundamental material in human craftsmanship for centuries, revered for its natural beauty, durability, and versatility. Among the most captivating forms of woodworking are furniture and decor pieces created from reclaimed old wood sculptures. These sculptures, often weathered and rich with history, serve as the perfect foundation for transforming into stunning furniture pieces. Artisans and craftsmen breathe new life into these aged sculptures, turning them into functional art that complements modern aesthetics while retaining their rustic charm. The process involves careful selection of aged wood, preservation of its natural textures, and meticulous craftsmanship to highlight the unique patterns and imperfections that time has bestowed. These creations not only stand as a testament to sustainable artistry but also carry stories embedded within their grain. The marriage of history and modern design results in furniture and decor that are truly one of a kind. From intricate carvings to minimalist designs, each piece reflects a dedication to preserving the essence of the old while celebrating the beauty of natural wood. This fusion of history and artistry makes reclaimed wood sculptures an increasingly popular choice for those seeking unique, eco-friendly, and soulful decor. Reclaimed wood, especially from old sculptures, holds a unique charm that new timber simply cannot replicate. The character etched into each piece, marked by knots, cracks, and grain variations, tells a story of its past life. When artisans repurpose these aged sculptures into furniture, they harness this history and transform it into functional art. Floating shelves, textured surfaces, chairs with intricate carvings, and consoles that echo the craftsmanship of bygone eras are just a few examples. Each piece embodies a sense of authenticity and sustainability, making them highly desirable in contemporary interior design. The process involves cleaning, restoring, and sometimes re-engineering the old wood to ensure stability and safety. Yet, the natural imperfections are often preserved to enhance the aesthetic appeal. The warmth and character that reclaimed wood adds to any space create an inviting atmosphere. Whether used in minimalist modern settings or traditional decors, furniture crafted from old sculptures provides a distinct sense of history, craftsmanship, and environmental consciousness. It's a celebration of the beauty that time has imprinted on wood and a testament to sustainable artistry. Transforming old wood sculptures into stunning furniture and decor involves a blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern artistic techniques. Skilled artisans carefully select sculptures with interesting textures and patterns, emphasizing their natural beauty. Techniques such as hand carving, sanding, and polishing are employed to reveal the intricate details hidden within the aged wood. Some artisans choose to preserve the original patina, allowing the natural wear and tear to add character to each piece. Others may incorporate additional artistic elements like inlays, paint, or metal accents to enhance the aesthetic appeal. The goal is to maintain the authenticity of the old sculpture while adapting it into a functional or decorative item. For instance, a weathered sculpture might be transformed into a unique coffee table with carved motifs, or a carved panel could serve as a striking wall decor piece. The process requires patience, precision, and an eye for detail to ensure that each piece retains its historical charm while becoming a part of modern living spaces. This artistic transformation elevates old sculptures from mere remnants of the past to timeless pieces of functional art. One of the most compelling reasons for repurposing old wood sculptures into furniture and decor is sustainability. In a world increasingly conscious of environmental impact, reclaiming and reusing materials reduces waste and minimizes the demand for newly harvested timber. Old sculptures, often discarded or left to decay, hold immense potential for new life. By transforming these aged pieces into beautiful furniture, artisans promote eco-friendly practices that help conserve forests and reduce carbon footprints. The process involves minimal chemical treatments, mainly focused on cleaning, restoring, and sealing the wood to preserve its integrity. Additionally, repurposing old sculptures preserves unique textures and patterns that cannot be replicated in new wood, adding value and character to each piece. This approach aligns with the principles of sustainable design, emphasizing quality, longevity, and the importance of reducing waste. Customers increasingly seek out these eco-conscious options, appreciating the story behind each item, history, craftsmanship, and environmental responsibility combined. In this way, old sculptures become more than just decor. They become a statement of sustainable living, blending artistry with ecological awareness. The beauty of turning old wood sculptures into furniture and decor lies in the endless possibilities for customization and unique designs. Each piece of reclaimed wood tells its own story, offering a distinctive character that can't be duplicated. Artisans often work closely with clients to create bespoke furniture that fits specific spaces, styles, and preferences. Whether it's a rustic dining table with intricate carvings or a sleek, modern coffee table with subtle natural imperfections, the options are limitless. Customization allows for incorporating personal touches, such as engraved initials, motifs, or themes that resonate with the owner's personality or cultural background. Additionally, artisans can adapt sculptures into various functional items, benches, side tables, wall art, or even lighting fixtures, each reflecting a piece of history and craftsmanship. The process involves careful planning, selecting the right sculpture, and applying artistic techniques to enhance its natural beauty. The end result is a one-of-a-kind piece that not only serves a functional purpose but also acts as a conversation starter, adding warmth and character to any space. These customized creations celebrate individuality and sustainable artistry simultaneously. Furniture and decor made from old wood sculptures exude a vintage and rustic aesthetic that appeals to many interior design enthusiasts. The aged wood's natural wear, patina, and irregularities evoke a sense of nostalgia and timeless elegance. This aesthetic effortlessly blends with various styles, from farmhouse and shabby chic to industrial and modern rustic. Each piece appears to carry a story, with its unique textures and imperfections highlighting the passage of time. This authentic look adds warmth and depth to any room, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Artisans often emphasize preserving the original features, such as carvings, textures, and color variations, to maintain the vintage charm. The rustic appeal is further enhanced by the use of natural finishes, oils, and waxes that highlight the wood's character. Whether as a standalone statement piece or part of a cohesive decor scheme, furniture crafted from old sculptures brings a touch of history and authenticity. It's an ideal choice for those who appreciate handcrafted artistry and wish to incorporate sustainable, vintage-inspired elements into their homes. To preserve the beauty and integrity of furniture and decor made from old wood sculptures, proper care and maintenance are essential. Unlike new wood, reclaimed wood may have more delicate areas due to aging, cracks, or previous exposure to the elements. Regular cleaning with soft, dry cloths helps remove dust and dirt without damaging the surface. When necessary, a slightly damp cloth can be used, but excessive moisture should be avoided to prevent warping or swelling. Applying natural oils, waxes, or sealants periodically enhances the wood's natural luster and provides a protective barrier against moisture and stains. It's also advisable to keep reclaimed wood furniture away from direct sunlight, which can cause fading or cracking over time. Using coasters, placemats, and avoiding harsh chemicals ensures the longevity of the finish. For carved or detailed pieces, gentle dusting with soft brushes preserves intricate designs. Proper maintenance not only prolongs the life of these unique pieces but also maintains their aesthetic appeal, allowing them to be cherished for generations. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.